Welcome to Tiny Prince Art Academy. Recently, I came across with this Camel water pastel product, which gives dual effect of crayons and watercolor. This pack is for 100 rupees. It's a pack of 12 shades. You draw with pastels, but if you run a wet brush over your drawing, it turns into watercolor. So these are the shades you get into normal oil pastels as well. And even the size of the crayon is as same as normal oil pastel. This product comes with a synthetic brush. Brush quality looks okay, nothing great. So let's sketch and color now. I'm going to use this thick sheet of handmade paper which is commonly used for watercolors. Since Vinayak Chaturthi is just around the corner, we will learn to draw and color Ganpati today. Sketching is done. Now pick up your water pastel and start marking the area where you want to color. And now just color as you color normally with any crayon or any oil pastel. The paper that I'm using here is handmade paper, so you can see the textural area on the surface as I'm coloring. In the forehead area, I want this shading to be in orange and yellow. So I'm going to coat orange, and the next color I'm coating is yellow. Now simply dip your brush in water and start coating, and you will get beautiful watercolor effect. This product is non-messy, so it's apt for young kids. This makes life so easy. Colors are super blendable, vibrant and beautiful. I'm going to complete all red work first and then move on to next color. Colors are superior with mixing and blending. It's very soft, velvety texture. Here I'm using my own brushes and not the one that I got free with the pack. In the background, I am using shades of green, yellow and blue. The pack says this product is designed to use on different surfaces like paper, canvas, board, cardboard, laminated wood, leather, glass and mirror. I'm already in love with this product. It's just for $100 and it's absolutely worth buying it. As you can see, blending is so hassle-free. Complete entire background with shades of yellow, green and blue. I'm marking Tika with deep red color. The best part is you can highlight when the color is dried once more if you feel the color is faded anywhere. Now I'm taking black board marker and border this entire picture with marker. I bought this product from Amazon. If you would like to buy this product, I'm going to share a link in the description box below. Happy Vinayak Chaturthi to all of you in advance. Have a safe one. Thank you so much for watching. Follow on Facebook page and subscribe on YouTube channel. Hit that notification button so that as soon as we upload video, you get the notification immediately. Leave comments in the comment box if you like this or if you have any queries, and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video.